Today, we're exploring Capitol Reef National Park for the first time. We want to see the domes of Capitol Reef and wade in the Fremont River. We are driving 142 miles to Moab, Utah as we continue our 30-day family road trip. Let us know in the comments if you think we're going to stay under our $10,000 budget for this trip. Morning guys, we are packing up and going down to Capitol Reef today, and then we're going to head out to Moab to go see some of the national parks out there. We made it out of the hotel and we're gonna hopefully do a hike today down to the river and go wade in the river. Is that fun? On this bumpy road? Yeah. Which hike do you want to hike?
That mountain.
You want to go up that mountain?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go hike up that. Possibly so. This is looking pretty full. Alrighty guys, we are going on our hike. Grand Wash hiking trail. Supposed to have some narrows in there that you gotta squeeze between. So we're gonna go try and do some of that. I don't know how far we're gonna get, but we do know that there's a river at the end of this that we can wade in, and that's what we want. You climbing on the rocks? Look at that big rock. All right, let's walk in the shade for a little bit. You want to walk in the shade, Becket? Mama wants a break. I know. Oh, you're good. He's okay, Mom.
Go slow, okay?
It's a good little rock climbing area. I got you. You need a snack.
Mama said.
Dun, da, da, da.
There you go.
Look, there's a bar. Side a piece. The rest is for me. Well, this is getting narrower and narrower.
I think it's gonna get super narrow.
It looks like they're kind of coming together right there. The rocks are incredible. Oh yeah, there's a good rocky spot. So we made it 1.75 miles. I think this was a 2.2 mile, almost to the end. I think this is the Narrows, isn't it? This is a fun place to stop and play. Shade and sand. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. That's
I know, I see you. You lost your hand. Oh, there it is. You gotta do it again? So we're heading back from our hike. All of a sudden it got super cloudy and looking kind of gray. So we're really hoping that it doesn't start raining on us, because there's a huge sign whenever you enter this place that says flash flood warning, and you know, tough to get out because this is called the Grand Trail, the Grand or whatever trail, because the water comes down through here. Hope it doesn't rain on us. That would not be good, especially since we have like another hour or something to drive. We don't want to be driving in the wet. I also remember looking at the weather this morning, and they said that there was about a 20% chance of rain this afternoon.
turned into a 60%.
Possibly. I don't know. We don't have any internet to check the radar. Still cloudy. No rain yet though. 1.75 plus 1.75 is definitely 3.5. All the brakes and stops and whatnot, maybe, I don't know. Oh, I gotta pee. The clouds definitely helped. Oh, we beat the rain, that's good. Y'all wanna be in it? Hey!
Yeah, be in the video right there. This is the man to ask.
They asked to be in the vlog. All right, so the plan is apparently there's some kind of pie at Gifford House that everybody wants, and we're gonna go have a picnic down by the river.
Cookies.
They're out of pie?
Yeah, like literally the last piece got sold right before we walked up here.
I thought I just saw somebody walk out with one.
All right, let's get spoons.
I want this one.
Here, take this one. Thank you. Okay.
Wait, Becky.
Thank
You
you.
too. Got it all.
Where's my spoon?
$14.27
Oh, wow.
of cookies and ice cream. Becket, is it good?
I'm just gonna taste.
I mean, taste this cookie. I love lemon and chocolate. Just need some coconut in there, huh? Yeah, that's pretty good. That's a good cookie. Soft. Stopped in Hanksville, Utah, and we gotta get gas. $3.64 here. That's expensive. 11 gallons, almost 12. $43.33. I can't get a receipt. Alright, let's continue. Can't get a receipt. Alright guys, we drove for about 2.5 hours and we are now in Moab, Utah. And there is a diner here called Moab Diner. So we decided to come and check it out. I think it's gonna be delicious. Jacques loves diners. I don't know. Have the steak? Thank you.
Sit down. It's coming here.
Pancake and bacon?
Pancake was...
Who had pancake?
Hold on, buddy. That's hot. Mouse pancake. Jacques is a Mickey
I
Mouse.
see that. This looks amazing.
You gotta eat the toast, okay?
Because it's a diner and you love diners.
It was very fast.
It's friendly? Yeah, it was.
Very friendly.
Mm-hmm. We're finding out if it's filling. It looks like it's gonna be filling though.
Yeah, there's lots of meat.
Mm-hmm.
No, beef's good for you.
Oh no! Oh, you fell all the way down. Crash! Oh no! Oh gosh, you fell down. What happened to your hair? Hey, Mama's here. Where's Mama? Go ahead, how much was it?
With tip, $59.38.
Fancy.
Without tip.
I gave him a 15% tip. It's so expensive eating with 5 people.
Yeah, I know. We're staying in an RV park tonight. You see a camper back here? Another camper? All right, we are staying in this. We got a Rockwood camper for the next 3 days. Come on, Becket. We're gonna go in this camper. This looks spacious. What do y'all think?
It's awesome. We're checking out the bathroom.
I like it. It's got a nice big bed for Mom and Dad. Y'all got bunk beds? All right. You gonna get up on the bunk beds? Okay, climb on up.
Okay.
Well, it's kind of hard. And then here's the bathroom.
Light. I get a light. I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
Like, okay, so if you pull this thing out, how does it lock when you're in the shower?
I don't think it does lock. You only lock it whenever it's open because you don't want the glass moving whenever the camper is being towed. Yeah. And anyway, why would you want to lock yourself in the shower from the outside? Because then you'd lock yourself in. Let's do the diaper changing thing. Click that video to continue the adventure with us.